Hello everyone. Welcome to your one-step destination for amazing PowerPoint tips and tricks. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an amazing flying bird animation in PowerPoint. It's perfect for presentation, storytelling, or just adding a creative touch to your slides. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, let's add a nature background to set the scene. Right-click, go to Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill. Go to File, select Image, then insert it. Next, we will add Bird GIF. Go to Insert, click on Pictures and choose Bird GIF file. Click on Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Place the bird on the right side of the slide. Make 4 to 5 duplicates of the bird and adjust them. Now, let's make the bird fly across the slide. Select the bird, go to the Animation tab, and from the Motion Path option, select left to move the bird from right to left across the slide. To make the bird flights look more realistic, click on red dots and drag to the left. This creates the impression of natural flight. Open the animation pane, click on Effect option, set Smooth Start and Smooth End to make the movement more fluid. Click on Timing, adjust the duration of each animation up to 15 seconds for smooth effect. Now, let's preview the animation. And there you have it, a beautiful flying bird animation in PowerPoint. It's simple, creative, perfect for any presentation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more amazing PowerPoint tips. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.